Google makes its Pixel Watch models in a single-size variant, unlike Apple and Samsung, that makes smartwatches in different sizes. Both the first Pixel Watch and the Pixel Watch 2 come in a 41mm diameter size, but the Pixel Watch 3 will reportedly have a 45mm size variant as well. The update comes after a report in January said that the next Google Pixel Watch would be available in 2 sizes. According to a report from 9 to 5 Google, the Google Pixel Watch 3 will finally offer a larger size variant in addition to the expected traditional 41mm model. The report claimed that the new variant will be 45mm in size, thus making for a much larger watch casing. While both models will likely get the same features, the larger-sized watch may get a bigger battery. Do note that the 45mm model will likely also carry a higher price tag, presumably costing $50 more than the 41mm model. Google's next smartwatch should launch running Wear OS 5 based on Android 14. Though the OS will reportedly debut on the Galaxy Watch 7 first, it will be introduced in October. Let me know in the comments below your thought. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.